all good.
So, this should be number 25, Mike Harrison. Am I correct?
We live no more life until he shows up.
That's the second time today I've been
Another
right.
life.
Perfect. All right. We got a flag up down here in the bottom. We got a flag up on the top. Come on, Russell Altman. Number 20. In the middle of it.
Shows up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
What?
Instead of a coffee, we're just on the it's paradise.
Oh, Mike Harrison. Okay.
I'm your brother's neighbor.
Number 25, Mike Harrison. That's the 20th time today that I've been wrong. Yeah, there you go. Hey, you're supposed to be a girl. Yeah. Just saying. Just saying. It's all right. Okay, you're not. It's 2018 or something like that. Come on, keep going now. Now's no time to lighten up. There you go. And you want to get over to the right at some point here, pal. Because that will not work. Listen to me now, believe me later.
He's going. He's in.
Yep. That ain't gonna work. There it is. Even though this gets bulldozed and everything else, I believe. Not only that, but there is one big ass turtle down there. Yeah, he could be stuck on the turtle. And you know how you can tell when I see the turtle?
Hey, look at that.